In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect instant funding to Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up instant funding inside of your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, it should bring something like this. And over here you'll be able to see under home, and here you'll be able to see all of your active and cancelled accounts. From here you'll need to choose the specific account and go over to actions over here and then click view more. Once you found and click view more, you will see the login credentials to Metatrader 5. So from here you'll need to go up to a new tab and click in Metatrader 5 and go inside of Metatrader 5's website and then download Metatrader 5 for Windows computer. Or you can also use the web terminal if you want to do that. Once you have installed it and open it up inside of your computer, you'll see this page right here. From here you'll need to go over to File in the left hand corner and then go down to Open an Account. Once you've done that, you'll need to go up to Add New Company, like company name or address, and from here you can simply click either Instant Funding, or you can take instantfunding.com up here in the URL and paste it inside of here and click Find Your Company. Once you've done that, it should bring something like this, and here you'll simply need to click Next. And once you've done that, you have three options. Either you can open up a demo account without any risk, or you can click up here, open a real account, or down here you can connect with an existing trade account. And here you'll be able to enter in your login credentials and password credentials and choose the specific server that Instant Funding has provided with you inside of your account. Once you've clicked all of this in, you'll simply need to click Finish, and then from here you'll hear a little boink, and that means that you have successfully logged Instant Funding account to Metatrader 5 or connected Instant Funding account to Metatrader 5. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!